From challenges to hacks, TikTok is ripe with beauty trends. Take a look. TikTokers are trying to catch the viral vibe with bizarre beauty trends like the 1,000-layer challenge. Users apply hundreds of layers of foundation in order to look flawless. The same goes for nails as users paint coat after coat of polish on their nail beds. But it isn't just bizarre beauty trends getting views. TikTokers are sharing plenty of do-it-yourself skin remedies as well. One derm, Dr. Ozzy, has made it her mission, in part, to challenge these TikTokers by duetting with them and spilling the tea on these so-called skincare solutions, landing her nearly 800,000 followers on the popular platform. So, will the truth win out, or will the TikTok tales keep trending? Wow, dermatologist Dr. Ozzy has quite the following on TikTok. I'm a little bit jealous. And she joins us now to break down if these viral beauty trends are buzzworthy or blunders. Dr. Ozzy, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Well, it's a pleasure. So why are we seeing all of these beauty trends going on TikTok?
Well, TikTok is the perfect platform to showcase these outrageous beauty trends that look like they might actually work. And these videos will then go viral, and people actually believe applying a cream to your skin can remove a mole or magically make your pores disappear. But in reality, it's all just editing and these filters. So I love to call out the fake.
Dr. Ozzy, I'll be honest with you. I love a good at-home beauty regimen. Like those little masks, I put them on all the time. I had one on this morning to make sure that I just felt like my skin was tight, okay? So
Yes,
what are your
I'm
thoughts
with you.
on people that are mixing aspirin and lemon to make a chemical peel?
Crushed aspirin actually has acetyl salicylic acid, which is very irritating to the skin. And these people are crushing 10, 20 aspirin tablets, mixing it with lemon and baking soda. So you're causing a severe reaction and making a recipe really for truly a skin disaster.
Let's get to another viral TikTok video. Are you kidding me here? People are using erection cream to plump their lips. Now, my take on this, I think you should put the erection cream where it belongs. So
I agree. It doesn't belong on your lips. These creams are designed to boost erections. They're not designed to go on the lips. A lot of them are formulated with lidocaine, which is a topical anesthetic, or alprostadil, which is a vasodilator, which means it opens up your blood vessels. Yes, they may work, but they could also lead to painful blisters. So you're better off looking for a plumper or a lip gloss with a little bit of natural peppermint oil is what you want to look for.
Okay, Dr. Ozzy, another viral TikTok beauty trend is people using vibrating tools on their faces. And in fact, singer and actress Toni Braxton took this trend a step further, saying that she uses her actual vibrator on her face. Talk about up close and personal and giving that a whole new meaning. So what are your thoughts on this?
Actual vibrators can be a little too powerful for the face. They can cause broken capillaries, bruises, particularly if you have rosacea-prone skin. You're better off looking for a facial vibrator that's a lot more gentle, and I recommend you use a hyaluronic acid serum that helps glide the vibrators on the skin. That helps sort of protect the skin, minimize trauma, making it safer, and your skin is going to be a lot healthier using a less powerful agent than an actual vibrator.